Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So promo codes can give you discounts on rentals, purchases, subscriptions, but they are applied through your Amazon account or during checkouts, not always directly inside the app. Okay, so get your promo code. So copy or note your promo code, make sure it's valid and not expired. Okay, go to Amazon or Prime Video. So open Amazon website or Prime Video, sign into your account. Checkout happens through Amazon. So choose content like find a movie, show, or subscription, select friends, buy, subscribe. Okay, proceed to checkout, enter promo code. At checkouts, find enter promo code or gift card and promotional codes. Paste your code, apply, and discount should appear instantly. Okay, so confirm purchase, like complete your order. Discount is applied to the final price. Okay, so what happens after using code? Price is reduced. Okay, so content is added to your library, code is marked as used. Okay, there are also some common issues that happened, like code not working, check expiration or region. So there are another issue like no discount applied, so ensure item is eligible, or no code already used. So promo codes are usually one-time use, so you cannot use them twice. Okay, so pro tips like use promo code before they expire, check terms and conditions, combine with gift card balance if needed, and screenshot confirmations for references. Okay, so this is it guys for today's video. This is how to use promo code on Prime Video. Thank you for watching guys, and see you in the next tutorial.